Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to check the date of birth associated with your Google account. Whether you want to verify it or update it, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's dive in. Main tutorial. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on that. Next, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings where you can control all your personal information. Once you're on the account page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Personal Info. This section contains all the basic information Google has for your account, including your name, contact info, and of course, your date of birth. Scroll down a little until you see the birthday section. Click on it, and here you'll see the date of birth currently associated with your account. If everything looks correct, you're all set. But what if the date is wrong or missing? No problem. Simply click on the birthday field, enter the correct date, and make sure to save your changes. That's it. Your Google account is now updated with the right information, and there you have it. Checking and updating your date of birth in Google is really that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.